E kinde modong' mana seche ma ikwano kende to ibago yiero maduong' e kar chung' od bura ma Ol Kalou odiochieng' ma Kenya. Gige luto ombulu koro osechwale kanyinde kuondego eko mag luto ombulu. Oganda eko geno mar mondo mi oyier jaod bura margi odiochieng' ma Kenya bang' mane jaod bura ma Kenya John Kiarao ne wito kanyinde ngimane. En kampen mabende osebedo ka tek tweta e kind duond buch siasa mar UDA ma isero koda piny owacho ma manywanda kata broad based kaachiel koda manendo mar DCP ma isero kanyendo koda jogo eko makwedo piny owacho kama gibiro e kinde ma jakoma mar IEBC Erastus Edung' Ethekon kanyakla koda Douglas Kanja ma en ogai mar obila nyosingo ni yiero machalo kamane idhi tim e yo nendo makare kendo arita kwe ojiwi kuom manendo jopiny owuok oko kendo ne nigi luto ombulu odiochieng' ma Kenya e yiero jatelo ma gidwaro.
Our officers are properly trained and they are ready to conduct elections as per the regulations. That all the registered voters in Ol Kalou constituency, they must turn up with their national ID cards that are valid. And for the case of the passports, they must verify and confirm that their passport is valid, it has not expired, because these are the primary documents that will be used to identify each of the eligible voter, each of the voter who is in our digital register. The use of mobile phones in the polling booth is prohibited, and it is against Section 7 of the Election Offences Act. You shall actually be prosecuted, and if you are found guilty, you will pay a fine a fine of up to 1 million Kenya shillings. So we need to tell Kenyans this matter is very serious. Besides that 1 million Kenya shillings, the offending party can also be imprisoned for a term of not exceeding 3 years.
We have over 1,000 police officers deployed to ensure that the by-election is adequately covered. Number two, to break it down further, the 114 polling stations in Ol Kalou have adequately deployed with the police officers going by the standard deployment procedures. This means that we have a minimum of 2 police officers per every polling station. Their work shall be to safeguard the voting materials, the voting process itself, while offering adequate security at each and every polling station, ensuring the electoral officials perform their duties well and unhindered. Additionally, there are alert standby teams deployed at all polling stations. They comprise of not less than 14 officers at each and every polling station to ensure steadfast and robust security coverage. Further to this, there are special